fucking Myrtle Beach in Queens, fucking Jamaica, St. Albans, Long Island City. You know how we do, we get the nitty gritty. We fucking smoking weed and we taking fucking lines. We fucking popping shrooms and we taking pills all the time. That's how we do. We stay on the grind and I always got some cash in my pocket and ready to rock it. We going to the titty bar about to knock it. Look at the titties, they bouncing up and down.
Say fucking with the boy is not optional.
I'm
about to get it. Hold on. Yo. Hold on.
I said I was about to let my man fucking Diaz to take the mic. I'm waiting for Diaz to take the mic. Please take the shit and please make it right.
I said I'm hopping on the beat, yeah, hopping on the track. Angel D, guess what, bitch? I'm back. Yo, it's not optional. It's not optional. This shit ain't fictional. This shit is real. I said I'm the real deal. I bring the real steel. Bitch wanna mess with the boy, I get a real bill. I get kill bill. Bitch wanna get real. I don't mess with the kid. I'm so still. I'm so silly. I smoke Phillies. And bitch wanna mess with boy, I get really dilly. I stay whole. I stay so high. Bitch wanna talk to me. I'm angel. I fly in the sky. Yeah, and then I got the halo. Girl wanna mess with me. It's so gay though. Oh no. I stay with the hip-hop flow, and I love my dough. So call me the chef. Yeah, I'm cooking in the kitchen. Bitch, better keep on spitting, and I'm spitting the game instead written. Never, I'm a player. I'll keep on going. I keep on flowing. Said my boy Bimbo is on the track with me. I said keep on going. Said the go flow, and then a girl's gonna go, and we're going wild. Said going wild. Said going now. Said bitch wanna go and smoke that black and mild. So no. Yeah, I like to drink. I like to fucking drink. And bitch wanna think that I'm the shit. What? Get money. Woo! Woo, baby, whoa! Oh, the shit! You stop.